DS Automobiles, a premium automotive brand based in France, has unveiled its luxurious and innovative 2023 DS9 sedan for the Italian market. The car is available in three specifications: Rivoli Plus, Opera, and Esprit de Voyage collection, all of which are electrified. The Rivoli and Esprit de Voyage collections feature two plug-in hybrid transmissions, the E-Tense 250 and E-Tense 4x4 360. The E-Tense 250 comes with a 4-cylinder 200 horsepower PureTech engine coupled with an 110 horsepower electric motor, while the E-Tense 4x4 360 combines a 200 horsepower 4-cylinder thermal engine with two electric motors. Prices for the DS9 range between €64,000 and €87,000. One of the standout features of the 2023 DS9 is the DS Iris system. This new multimedia system by DS Automobiles comes with a fully redesigned and customizable interface, featuring a 12-inch high-resolution touchscreen. The DS Iris system offers a range of functionalities, including 3D connected navigation, Iris natural voice recognition, air conditioning controls, digital audio sources, and real-time trip data. The system also connects seamlessly with the MyDS mobile app, allowing users to control various car features remotely and receive maintenance alerts. The luxurious interiors of the 2023 DS9 are a testament to its opulence and passenger comfort. The Opera specification includes Napa leather upholstery, available in Art Rubis Red, Art Basalt Black, and the new Grigio Perla. The interiors also include an Alcantara grey headliner and seats adorned with the DS logo. The Esprit de Voyage collection exhibits an even more refined interior with light-colored exclusive Napa leather interiors, including Grigio Perla Napa leather on the central console, dashboard, and door panels, and Grigio Perla Alcantara registered trademark upholstery throughout the cabin. On the technology front, the Opera specification boasts the DS Active Scan suspension, which is controlled by a camera, DS Drive Assist Level 2 for semi-autonomous driving, DS Driver Attention Monitoring, and DS Night Vision. The extended safety pack is part of this specification. Additionally, the Opera spec features a high-end FOCAL Electra audio system, DS Lounge Pack for rear passengers, automatic dual-zone climate control, and heated massaging and cooling rear seats. Externally, the E-Tense 250 version of the Esprit de Voyage is distinguishable by its new 19-inch Chambord rims, with anthra gray matte finishes, while the E-Tense 4x4 360 model retains its 20-inch Munich rims fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. The exterior paint options for the Esprit de Voyage collection include crystal gray, imperial blue, platinum gray, and pearl black. The DS9's combination of performance, efficiency, and luxury make it an appealing choice for discerning drivers looking for a stylish and sustainable vehicle. The Opera specification is complemented by added features such as an electrically operated sunroof, an electric hood, a heated windscreen, and an anti-theft alarm system. This variant also has a rear center armrest made from premium leather, a button to adjust the passenger seat from the rear, and heated rear seats. These features contribute to an ultra-comfortable and luxurious experience for the passengers. Additionally, the Esprit de Voyage collection in the 2023 DS9 adds unique artistic elements to its interior design. The Grigio Perla Napa leather is thermally embossed with a pattern developed by DS Automobiles craftsmen, resembling the guilloche engraving of Parisian watchmakers. A motif known as Clous de Paris depicts a map of Europe, emanating from the DS design studio Paris. This pattern is also featured on the dashboard and front door badges. The high-quality materials in the Esprit de Voyage interior extend to the steering wheel, which is made of basalt black leather, and a rear shelf upholstered in black Alcantara. These features emphasize the meticulous attention to detail and the commitment to using high-quality materials in the DS9's cabin. Connected navigation is a useful feature in the 2023 DS9 that helps drivers select the best route by monitoring traffic conditions and calculating alternative routes in real time. The system displays hazardous zones, including speed checks, weather forecasts, nearby fuel stations with current prices, and public parking and charging station locations. The 2023 DS9 E-Tense 4x4 360 boasts impressive performance figures. With a combined power output of 360 horsepower from its thermal engine and electric motors, it achieves an electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour. The car can reach speeds of up to 140 km per hour using only electric power and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.6 seconds. In zero-emission mode, the DS9 E-Tense can cover 65 kilometers in the urban cycle or 62 kilometers in the combined cycle. Its fuel consumption is rated at 1.5 liters per 100 kilometers, and it emits just 35 grams of CO2 per kilometer according to the WLTP cycle. The DS9 E-Tense 250, on the other hand, has a slightly smaller electric range of up to 85 kilometers in the urban cycle or up to 75 kilometers in the combined cycle, thanks to its 15.6 kilowatt-hour battery. Its onboard charger, rated at 7.4 kilowatt, enables charging from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours and 23 minutes. Emission-wise, the E-Tense 250 variant emits only 22 grams of CO2 per kilometer and consumes just 1 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers as per the combined cycle. This makes it an incredibly efficient option for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance or luxury. In conclusion, the 2023 DS9 is a marvel of modern automotive engineering and design. It integrates the very best of performance, technology, and luxury into a package that is both environmentally friendly and exceedingly stylish. With customizable multimedia options, elegant interiors, and impressive hybrid configurations, the DS9 stands as an exciting option in the premium car segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.